This is the Vivo X100 Pro Plus, and on paper, it looks like one of the most overpowered Android phones you can buy. Vivo's making some big claims here. Next-level cameras, flagship performance, and a design that's supposed to rival Samsung and Apple. But after digging into real-world tests and expert impressions, there's something important you need to know before you even think about spending your money. Is this a true flagship killer or just another spec monster? Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Vivo X100 Pro Plus, Vivo's top-tier Android smartphone in the X100 lineup, aimed squarely at power users and mobile photography enthusiasts. It sits above the already impressive X100 and X100 Pro, and it's designed for people who want the absolute best hardware Vivo can offer. Released as Vivo's ultra-premium Android flagship, the X100 Pro Plus leans heavily into camera innovation, top-end performance, and a polished luxury feel. This is not a budget phone. It's competing directly with phones like the Galaxy S Ultra and iPhone Pro Max, especially for users who care about photography, display quality, and raw speed. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? This phone is fast, like never think about performance fast. Powered by Qualcomm's flagship chipset and paired with generous RAM, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. I'm talking heavy multitasking, high refresh rate gaming, 4K video editing, and bouncing between apps all day. Scrolling is buttery smooth, apps launch instantly, and I didn't notice any thermal throttling during extended use, which is impressive for such a powerful device. Gaming performance is especially solid. Titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run at high settings with stable frame rates, and the phone stays surprisingly comfortable in the hand. In daily life, emails, navigation, social media, camera usage, it just disappears, which is exactly what you want from a flagship. No hiccups, no lag, just smooth, reliable performance. Features and tech. First up, the camera system. This is Vivo's crown jewel. You're getting a massive main sensor, advanced ZEISS optics, and one of the most impressive periscope telephoto lenses on the market. What does that mean for you? Cleaner, low-light photos, incredible portrait shots, and zoom photos that don't look like watercolor paintings. This is one of those moments where you actually trust it to capture important moments. Next, the display. It's a large, curved AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate and excellent brightness. In real life, that means everything looks vibrant and smooth, whether you're watching YouTube, editing photos, or doom scrolling at 1 a.m. Third, fast charging. Vivo continues to embarrass slower charging phones here. You can top this thing up incredibly quickly, which is a game changer if you're always on the go. And finally, software features. Vivo's Android skin is packed with customization and camera tools, giving power users more control without feeling overwhelming. Design and build. Aesthetically, Vivo absolutely nailed it. The X100 Pro Plus feels premium the second you pick it up. You're getting a glass and metal build with subtle curves that make it more comfortable than it looks. The camera module is bold, and yeah, it's big, but it also signals that this phone means business. In the hand, it feels solid and well-balanced, though it's definitely not a small phone. One-handed use can be tricky. The matte finish helps with grip and keeps fingerprints to a minimum, which I appreciate. This is a phone that feels expensive, because it is. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point here. Thanks to a large battery and efficient chipset, the X100 Pro Plus easily gets through a full day of heavy use. Camera, navigation, social media, gaming, all of it. What really seals the deal is charging speed. Plug it in for a short break and you're back in business. Wireless charging support is here too, which adds convenience if you're already invested in that ecosystem. It's not just about lasting long, it's about minimizing downtime. Camera performance. This deserves its own section. The X100 Pro Plus is one of the best camera phones available, period. Photos have excellent dynamic range. Natural colors and impressive detail. Low light performance is a standout. Night shots look clean and usable without that over-processed look. The telephoto lens is where things get fun. Zoom shots remain sharp at distances where most phones fall apart. Video performance is also strong, with reliable stabilization and solid color science. If you're someone who wants DSLR-like results from your phone, this gets shockingly close. Pros: top-tier performance with zero lag. Gorgeous, smooth AMOLED display. Fast charging that actually saves you time. Cons: expensive compared to mainstream flagships. Large and heavy for smaller hands. Final verdict. So who is this phone really for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a mobile photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who wants the absolute best Android hardware available, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus is a no-brainer. It delivers where it matters most: performance, camera quality, and daily reliability. However, if you're deeply tied into Apple's ecosystem or prefer cleaner, more minimal software, you might want to look elsewhere. This phone isn't trying to be safe, it's trying to be the best, and for the right person, it absolutely succeeds. Bottom line, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus isn't just impressive on a spec sheet, it's genuinely great to use.